it doesn't. Rip. I think it's Streamlabs, which is weird. I thought Streamlabs did it, but guess not. I guess it doesn't have emoji support. 3, 2, 1.
General Jaziz versus General Alexander.
You'll never crack my defense. Welcome, General. Are you ready to begin? Oh, what's that sound? And look, there's a light in the sky. I wonder. Oh dear. I am sorry, General, but that's just how I like to say hello.
That's just how I like to say hello.
General.
I will obey. This is
Yeah,
hard
build,
work.
yeah.
I will work. Do not hurt me. This hammer is heavy.
Oh, you're still here, General. I'm impressed by your determination. Let's dance.
Work was complete. I will work. I will obey. I do what I am told. Ready for war. I will work. Prepare to fight. Nothing will stop us.
I don't know why I built it like staggered, but whatever.
The higher order shall reign.
Let's do it. Change now.
A war factory? You're seriously going to attack me, aren't you? It's about time.
Out of way. Our work is complete. Our courage will be seen by all. The higher order shall reign. Do not hurt me. I will do what I must.
We're waiting for you, General. What's keeping you?
We have captured the building.
Capturing oil derricks, are we? Well, I'll let you have that one.
I will work. Building construction what do you want? The building belongs to us now. Yes. Do not hurt me. Yes.
Alright, I can probably build 3 at the start, which is
You
really
may
cool.
think I'm hiding, but I'm really just planning.
Oh, okay, okay. I will work. Our work is complete. I will do the best I can. The higher order shall reign. Prepare to fight. Cannot we live in peace?
And you're gonna be number 4.
You know, I put that there for a reason.
No cost is too great.
I'm only pretending to be retarded. Oh,
You don't
Rom,
know
you're so
what to
mean.
expect from me, do you?
Well done, General. You have reached a higher rank. Well done, General. You have reached a higher rank.
I don't appreciate that kind of disrespect.
Okay, so then
Upgrade complete.
you.
The higher order shall reign.
Well done, General. You have reached a higher rank.
What else do I need? I need a 1.
I'd attack if I were you, General. If you wait, then I'll just have one more super weapon to fire at you. So,
Oh,
you
that's
managed
good.
to crack my defenses.
That's good too.
I can
Okay,
assure you
that should be
will
everything.
not happen
Once we get this one. Blow it up, blow it up, blow it up! Yes!
We are victorious.
Oh, it's not fair.
General
One more
Jazzy
super weapon and I would have beaten you,
versus
General.
Dr.
Challenge me again.
Thrax.
You
I
dare
dare
to
you.
select Dr. Thrax?
Greetings,
You
General.
should reconsider.
Do not think I
General.
cannot see your spies flying over my base.
Please.
He's talking
do
over
what you wish,
himself.
Because this may be the last time you ever see my stronghold. As you can see, my defenses are impenetrable, and my toxic weapon systems will poison your troops long before they can.
That doesn't usually happen. Usually it cuts off the intro one, but for him it just kept going and going and going.
Your three-eyed grandchildren
He really had to tell us
this
about
day.
selecting Dr. Thrax.
I will work. Oh, okay, I will work. I will do what I must.
The first sample is free.
Yes. I will try to hurry. I will work. I will work. I will work. That is a lot of work. I'm hungry. I will work. I will go. That building cannot be
I see you. Silent, but deadly.
Oh, somebody needs to build a palace.
bolted down and ready. What? Floor it.
Upgrade complete.
That was a lot of work. Ready for war. No cost is too great. Ready for prepare to fight. Let's fight. One path to freedom.
Ah, that's right. Sit back and relax. Give my toxins more time to work.
We will not
Swing it left, and then you can run straight to it.
must take what is ours. We have captured the building. Let's fight. The way is clear. Our clan is strong. We fear nothing.
That.
One taste, and you'll never go back. Even if you wanted to.
I will obey.
Have a taste of my own medicine.
No cost.
You're 3. I'm gonna move you over here.
The way is clear. Yes. Building construction. I will do what I must. Okay, I will work.
1 and 2.
The higher order shall reign. Yes, I go.
Is there some sort of rock, paper, scissors between generals? I don't know if there's like a direct rock, paper, scissors. Because there's like Air Force and there's like super weapons. It's pretty much a counter. Well, the other ones, I don't know. It's hard to describe.
Another batch.
Like, they definitely have like their pros and cons. And some are definitely better against other generals. But I don't know if there's a direct,
I didn't need that anyway.
direct rock, paper, scissors going on.
You've destroyed my command center. Well, I always hated my commanders anyway.
Okay, so that
Now,
one
it is just you and me, General.
there. Then
Do you enjoy seeing your men glow in the dark, huh? Build more then.
okay, cool.
We are victorious.
Perhaps Perhaps I shouldn't have gotten
General
angry.
Yeah.
Mail order college.
versus General Kwai.
Your tank rush is nothing compared to mine. This area was
Now, like some
once
definitely
full of
counter
farmland.
other generals, but
Soon
yeah.
your blood will make it fertile again.
I don't necessarily think it's like this one. It's like rock, paper, and scissors, kind of like a
Soon
staircase kind of thing. It's just that some are just better against more people and stuff. I'm sure that if you look at the competitive scene, you'll see certain generals just aren't used because they're countered too easily by like the more popular ones. If I were to make a guess. BRB, okay.
Building construction has been completed. Oh, okay, okay, I will work. Our work is complete. I will work. I'm just a peasant. I will go.
It's quiet out there, General. There must be a lot of tanks rolling towards your base, don't you think? Build your war factories, General. They still will not produce tanks capable of stopping mine.
Are there not better tools? Oh, okay, okay, I will work.
Bolted down and ready. Let's get in the fight. Find me a price. Ready for war. Our way is through. We fear nothing. Ready for our courage will be seen by all. It still runs. Yes, I know. We take what we need. Hang on. We are going. Float it. Find me a crash site. Hang on. Get out, quick! We will not be oppressed. Our courage will be seen by all. Float it! Tanks! Build more tanks!
Yes, cannot we live in peace?
Prepare to fight. The building belongs to us now. Our way is through.
Yes. What do you want with me?
General, I need that oil derrick for my tanks. Release it to me or pay. Prepare to fight.
Alright, so done some research.
I will work.
Well done, General. You have reached a higher rank.
You dare attack my war factory? All forces, remove this pest. Another battalion is on its way, General. Please make them feel welcome.
Just check for mail. Oh.
Destroyed my command center. I am impressed,
I
General.
don't know, it was just a very
Few
timely
survived this long.
message, so I just wanted to double check. Okay, you're gonna go here, you're gonna go here, you're gonna go
Well done, General. You have reached
here.
a higher rank.
Prepare to fight. Here we come,
Never even
General.
bought that, did
I
I?
hope your defenses are up. So, you destroyed my barracks. So be it. Now, I will destroy yours. Yes, I go. The higher order shall reign. Nothing will prepare to fight.
Losing time.
Let's fight.
What did I not
My
get?
forces are at your door, General.
There we go.
Ah, this is the part of the
I didn't
battle
lose time. Okay,
enjoy
good.
the most. The part just before I finish off.
I was just
my
standing
enemy.
around doing nothing, and I thought,
You
I'm
may
a
have
little
defeated
skeptical.
my
General
tanks,
Jaziz
but the
tigress
versus
will crush you like an insect.
General Granger.
Come on, General. I'll show you the meaning of death from above. Be advised, this area is under the control of Air Force General Malcolm Granger. Withdraw now, or prepare to be bombed back to the Stone Age. General, you're no match for me. I own the skies. Watch the skies, General. We're gonna put on an air show.
We're gonna put on an air show.
Let's give him an air show.
Let's give him an air show. Do I gotta buy tickets, or? I mean, it's a gift, right? You don't have to pay for a gift.
I will work. What do you want with me? If that is what you want. I will work. Yes. Building construction has been What completed. Do you want with me? This is hard work. I will work. I will work. Our work is complete. I'm hungry. I will work. You change your mind often. I will work.
Don't worry, General. This is just the quiet before the storm.
Our work is There's not enough room for that building. I will obey.
Upgrade complete.
I will go. Are there not better tools?
Ready for the higher order shall reign. Prepare to fight. Let's fight. We must acquire new lands. Our courage will be seen by all.
Building construction has been completed.
We must take what is ours.
I'm just a peasant.
You're not stealing my supplies, are you, General?
What? I do not have patience for this.
I will work.
No cost is too great. Let's fight.
I will work.
The way is clear.
I will work.
We have captured the building.
Building construction has been completed. I'm hungry.
Okay, let's see here. We're gonna build me one of
I
you.
will do the best I can.
I'm gonna build me one of you as well. 1 and 2.
No cost is too great. One path to freedom. Out of resources, General? You wanna borrow some? You'll regret destroying that airfield, General.
Well done, General.
Hey, General. How about we call this one a draw? This is General Granger to aircraft carrier Olympia. Send reinforcements. Repeat, send reinforcements. Let's fight. Will you look at that? U.S. military spending at its best. We will not be afraid.
A warrior has fallen.
It's time to pull the goalies. Everyone attack.
What do you want with me? I will do what I must.
The higher order shall reign.
Cool. Dude, how is it I was so bad at this?
A warrior has fallen.
How is it I'm 2 minutes ahead?
I guess it's time for me to go find a
General
good airline
GZH
job.
versus General Dow.
I think I never played like more than once in a row.
Begin the assault. We will have to hit them.
Which is really
with
sad
everything we
because,
have.
The Chinese are close.
as you can see, I've gotten gold splits on every single one of my splits has been gold.
Now, General, I think you understand why I am known as Shitao the Nuke. Now the battle begin in earnest.
But yeah, I think because I just never played it consistently.
I will try to
I always played it like every once in a while.
I will work. Yes. Does it have to be so far? I will work. What do you want with me? This is hard work. I'm hungry. This hammer is heavy. Our work is complete. I'm just a peasant. I will do what I must. I will work.
Okay.
I will work. Our work is complete. I will work. Our work is complete. I will obey. I will.
Don't worry, General. The warheads are on their way.
I will work. Building construction. I will try to hurry. I will work.
Upgrade
I will work.
complete.
I'm just a peasant.
Oh, look! I have a nuke all ready for you.
Hungry. Can I have some shoes?
I'll puncture the lifting weapons. Quad cannon. I'll get there.
Our courage will be seen by all.
Bolted down and ready.
Ready for war. Our way is through. Ready for we will not be oppressed. Our courage will be seen by all. No cost is too great. Let's fight. We will not
You
be
cannot
hindered.
stand against my might, General.
We must take what is ours. To fight. We fear nothing. The higher order shall reign.
Our clan is strong.
Oh, General, I would not capture that oil derrick if I were you. I will only destroy it.
Oh, okay, okay. I will
The
work.
building belongs to us now.
General, you can have that oil derrick, but it will not help you stop me.
Hungry.
No cost is too great.
There.
Prepare
Oops.
to fight.
There.
We will not be oppressed. Capture the building.
Surrender! Or do you want the bombing to continue?
We will not be hindered.
What do you want?
Well done, General. You have reached a higher rank.
Why you destroy my barracks, General? It is not my men you should fear. Ah, no! My warheads! My beautiful warheads! You will pay, General.
Well done, General.
Hi, my war factory! What have you done? My precious tanks, gone. My command center! No! I won't lose command. I won't.
Okay, I want
That's
vision,
okay, General. I have more
so I'm
nukes for
gonna
you.
hang on to.
You are losing this war, General.
Let's
A few more
see.
bombs and your base will fall.
Put you here. Aha! See, I was afraid of this.
How long were you planning on staying in my base, General? Maybe I should prepare a bunk for you.
Our courage will be seen by
Do you like my village, General? Please, make yourself at home. Ah, You have destroyed all of my silos. Why, General?
Okay,
Why?
so that 2, 4, and that should do it.
Is the heat getting to you, General? How you expect to fight this, General? More supplies for us. How are you funding your
Okay, cool.
troops, General?
I wasn't sure if I was going to
We are victorious.
get that or not.
Another moment, and I would have reduced
General
you to
GZH
dust.
versus Prince
Okay.
Kassad.
Now you see me? Now you're dead. And another who stood against me falls. And so it will be for you, General. No warning, no mercy.
I think I have a good idea what I want to do here. Okay.
I'm hungry. I will do the best I can. I will work. Cannot we live in peace?
I still want to get radar scans, like I did last time.
Look at what I found.
That'll help me not lose time.
Train all the men you wish from that barracks, General. They are no match for my snipers.
Cannot we live in peace? I do what I am told. I will try to hurry. I will work. I will work.
Upgrade complete.
I will obey.
My spies tell me you finally built your war factory, General. Are you ready to fight now? Now you see me? Now you're dead.
Okay. I don't need anything more than that, I don't think. So I'm gonna put you.
That is what you want.
What do you want? Find me a parasite. Find me a parasite. Our way is through. Our clan is strong. Floor it! I'll puncture the next thing you'll get on my bad side. I'll get there.
Oh, whoops, you're supposed to capture that.
Our work is complete. Yes,
And then a Scud.
I will try to
Or not
hurry.
Scud,
It still runs.
the whatchamacallit.
The tunnels will protect us.
Stinger, there we go.
You'll never see me until it's too late, General.
We have captured the building.
Got a little extra money now. I still won't have more than one Scud, I don't think. So I'll build one Scud and one black market.
Do not hurt me. This is hard work. I'm just a peasant. I will do the best I can.
No cost.
I really need you to capture that, so I'm gonna use 3. Crashes, no! Zazzy.exe has stopped working.
The building belongs to
You
us
have
now.
destroyed my barracks, but we will
You're gonna be number 3 now.
Those men will be avenged.
A warrior.
Okay, this should hold. Need you guys to not die. You guys to chill and survive for a little while. Shoot with missiles, shoot with missiles. There we
You have
go.
reached
Nice.
higher rank.
Shift 3. Restop. Okay, I still don't have enough money for the other one.
I can't wait
Going to
for
bed?
your next attack.
Alright, Zazzy, you have a
General,
night.
Can we expect it today?
That was a lot of work.
My
I will
arms
obey.
dealer will not be pleased that you destroyed his depot, General.
can make that
Well
0.
done, General. You have reached a higher rank.
I can assume that I'm done
You are
there.
targeting my tech buildings because you have no hope of reaching my base. When it is quiet, you should fear me the most. Nicely played, General. You've destroyed my command center. Now I will be forced to fight dirty. So you have built a Scud Storm. We will have to deal with this new threat.
Yes.
There is a hole in your defenses, General. Who can say how many of my men are on your base right now?
Who can say?
Don't let your senses grow
Who
dull,
can
General.
say
You can
what
expect
your
my
heart
attack
does?
any moment now.
That is an old song.
Well done, General.
I wonder if anybody
You
else
have
but me
reached
knows
a
who that
higher
song
rank.
is. We got that, yep. And we should have gotten both of those, yep. Nice. Wow, that went way faster than I thought it would.
We are
Holy
victorious.
dick balls, that was way faster than I thought it'd go. It's a whole
My
minute
men will
faster.
not accept this defeat from their
General
leader,
GZH.
General.
Heyo!
I've signed my death
Eh,
warrant
eh,
for some
eh,
serious
eh.
tactics.
Superior weapons.
General, our opponent has a stronghold
Party
in
time.
the middle of the city. His laser defense system is
They first come, they
devastating,
fight
but
home.
requires lots of power. He will be forced to divert his power to one point of defense at a time. Use this to your advantage.
There you go, General. I've drawn the line in the sand. Now I dare you to cross it. Come and get me, General.
I will work. I'm just a peasant, if that is what you want.
Where, what, you're referencing something, I don't know what it is.
That is a lot of work. Are
I'm
there
sorry.
better tools? I will work.
I have no idea what you're saying.
I will work.
Building a barracks will only get your men hurt, General.
9/11 culture song. Interesting.
I will go. I will work. I'm just
You're gonna build a
peasant.
palace, you're gonna build one right here.
I do what I am told. Building construction, that is what you want. What do you
Upgrade
want?
complete.
You change your mind often.
You know what? Cancel that. I don't need that. I don't need none of this.
Ready for war. Prepare to fight.
Yeah, 3 by the way. You're gonna hang out right here.
Glory.
I'll look at it in a minute. Oh, it only happens. They're both on the same screen. Or close enough on the same screen, because if I go this way, it stops doing it. Interesting. That's really weird. Your dad shared all this kind of stuff.
I will obey.
Interesting.
Our way is through.
Oh, okay, I will work.
Reap the rewards from that oil derrick while you can. We'll be there to take it soon.
Our work is complete. I will obey. That building cannot fit there.
Our courage will be seen by all. You're hunting my men on purpose, aren't you, General?
I will work.
We will not be oppressed. Our courage will receive my order. What? You can't be beating me. Your lack of precision alone should ensure my victory. Prepare to fight. I can't lose to you. You're a bumbling buffoon. I see you approaching my base, General. I wouldn't advise coming any closer. No! Quickly! Dozers, rebuild the command center! Dozers, build more reactors. Lasers take a lot of power.
Are there not better tools?
Cool.
We are victorious.
Nice, 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 nice.
You defeated me, General, but I will
General
scan your
Jazzy
tactics and devise a
versus
superior strategy.
General Ling.
Why do you run towards your own demise?
Guess you'll run against your best next time? What's up? Oh yeah, it'll be my PB will be my sum of best or whatever. Like yeah, that's what we'll compare against. They'll be the exact same. Yeah, yeah. Literally gold splits all around.
Leave this place before you anger me.
Although I shouldn't speak too soon.
The might of China falls upon you. In the end, all fall before me.
What do you want with me? I will do what
So,
I must.
I see you have decided to stay and stand against me.
So what I noticed last time is that I didn't need any of my defenses or any of the units that I built, as per usual. So I definitely am not going to build any special things. It's going to be really straightforward. Buying 2 guys to work on that.
That was a lot of work. Cannot we live in peace? This is hard work.
That barracks is only the beginning of what you will need.
I don't need to build any special buildings or anything, so...
Can I have some shoes? I will work. I will work. Do not hurt me.
Upgrade complete.
You are wise to build a war factory, General.
Question, Rom. Do you ever, like, see people in real life and then tell them that you stream on Twitch and then, like, advertise your stream? Out of curiosity? Because I normally don't, you know? I usually just, like, keep it to myself. But at work, every once in a while, I'll just, you know, like, twice in total. I think I'm about the same way. Where I've just like, you know, been sort of hanging out with coworkers because it's like a slow day. I'm like, so what would you like to do? You know, like, what do you know? Well, that was the cable guys. Is installing your internet. It's like, yeah, actually I need this for the stream that I do. You should come watch. It's ROM Master 2.
Capture all the oil you wish.
No, but
You will
well,
not
I guess
have
in a similar vein.
time to reap the reward.
He actually asked first. What do you need the internet for? Or like what? I'm curious how he asked you.
The higher order shall reign. Nothing will stop us.
I I will obey.
But what I was saying is that like sometimes I just kind of shoot the shit with the coworkers, and like today it was pretty slow, and I was asking him like what you do, and he was talking about games and then Twitch. Oh, nice.
Two warriors meet on the battlefield. Who is to say who will win? I do, that's who. Me. You will fall, General.
I need you to do that one, which is 2, and then I need another one to do the other thing. Okay, so 1, 2. Then I need you to work on that.
Our defenses are cracking.
Oh, but yeah, today I was like, yo, what'd you like to do? He's like, oh man, yeah, I play football. I was like, oh, okay. So you're, okay. And then he's like, what do you like to do? I'm like, I play games and stuff. Yeah. It's like, yo, you like stream like on Twitch and stuff? I was like, yeah, I do. He's like, oh, that's cool. What do you play? I was like, yeah, just dumb, stupid old games that nobody likes anyway. But yeah.
Well done,
It feels so weird to be like, yeah, you know, I stream on Twitch. I'm like, I do that. I don't know. Just not comfortable with it yet.
Our work is complete.
Okay, so then we should do something like that to something like that in the middle. Now which coworkers know that you play like MMOs, yeah.
Upgrade complete.
I'm sure I would get like 100 invites if I did, but I don't play MMOs, which is good.
You can claim my command center, but this battle isn't over, General. The Scudstorm is a
Slacking?
cowardly weapon, General. Oh, I thought more of you. Dozers, rebuild the airfield before our MiGs return. You have exhausted your resources, General. It is time to admit.
Okay, so now we can start getting some stuff going. I can build you two, so let's drop one of you around here so we get more vision. 1 shift 3. Stop.
Leave this place before you anger me.
2 shift 3 right there. 3 stop.
A warrior has fallen.
Your forces may enter my base, but they will never leave again. Attack the fool. Take no prisoners. Your men are outnumbered, General. Do not try to make a greater horde than China. You will not defeat me this easily, General.
Prepare to fight.
That one's
A
still
warrior has
alive.
fallen.
This
Okay,
is
everything
not
else
the
is dead,
end,
though.
General. I will recover from this.
Oh, I don't have a 3. Where's my 3s? I don't have any more units. Oh no. Oh, that's pretty funny actually.
Rage will only get you so far, General. Now rage and a column of tanks. That will get you somewhere.
Ready for war. Hold it down and ready.
That should be everything.
A warrior has fallen.
Let's get in the fight. They can be recycled.
I must
Okay,
acknowledge
good.
this defeat.
Oh no, it's not all gold
You have
splits.
shown superior
No. Yeah, no, I hear you. Rip the all gold run.
This has been an interesting contest. Perhaps you will challenge me
Reset.
again.
No, it's not valid anymore. but I didn't account for those buildings out there.